Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to verify your account on the HTX exchange. As you saw in the previous video, we registered on this exchange and now we want to verify our account. To do this, from the top menu, click on the avatar option and then on the verify section. On the next page, there are two types of verification available for you. If you want to verify your account as an individual, click on the personal verification option. And if you want to do institutional verification, select the second option. On the next page, you can see the different verification levels. Each level provides you with different access privileges, and you can complete these verifications based on your needs. We start from the first step. On this page, you need to enter your nationality, last name, first name, and date of birth. After entering your information, if you wish to become a digital citizen of the Dominica Metaverse, you can select this option. The Dominica Digital Identity is the world's first government-approved digital identity, launched by HTX, Tron, and DMC Labs. The holder of this certificate is considered a digital citizen of the Dominica Metaverse and enjoys certain benefits. Click on the Submit option, then click on the Verify Now option again so you can increase your 24-hour limit to 5 Bitcoin. You confirm the information you have previously entered. And as you can see, your account's initial level has been verified. Now, in the next verification step, you can increase your account's 24-hour transaction limit to 200 Bitcoin. Click on Verify Now. On the next page, you need to upload your documents. In this section, you can use your ID card, passport, or driver's license to verify your account. The uploaded document must be fully visible in the image. Here you upload both the front and back images of your document. After uploading your documents, click on Submit. As you can see, your request has been registered and you need to wait for your documents to be approved. For the next step, you can increase your account's 24-hour transaction limit to 3000 Bitcoin. Click on Verify Now. At this stage, you need to scan your face completely. After clicking on Begin Check, your system's camera will be activated and you need to position your face in the center of the camera. After your face is scanned and a short period of time passes, you will see that the third verification step has also been completed for you. Now, if you need to, you can also enable the ability to buy and sell crypto using fiat currencies. You can complete the level 4 verification as well. At this stage, you need to enter personal information such as your industry, employment status, sources of capital, and your monthly income. You will also answer questions such as how many years of trading experience you have and what percentage of your capital you intend to invest. You enter your daily and monthly trading volume as well as your purpose for conducting trades. Which type of investments in this section do you prefer and what is the maximum amount you can cover in case of a loss? You should answer these questions based on your personal situation. After entering the information in this section, click on Next. At this stage, you need to verify your address. Here you enter your country of residence, and after entering your address, you upload a document that proves your address in this section. Click on Submit and your address document will be successfully registered. You need to wait for this document to be approved. And as you can see, after a few minutes, your account will be successfully verified. This was the complete tutorial on verifying an account on the HTX exchange. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.